Let us differentiate twice. For example, we have y is equal to x. So here, to get the derivative, dy dx is equal to, you know that x has a power of 1, right? So what we do with differentiation is the power times x, the power of 1 minus 1. Then derivative of y is equal to 1 times x power 0. It will give you 1 times 1, because anything to power 0 is 1. And so that is equal to 1 times 1, which is 1, okay? That is dy dx. So that is easy. Let us continue. Sometimes you can be asked to differentiate that again. That means you differentiate y twice. This is easy. What you do is write the first derivative of y, the second derivative of y. d dy dx over dx, which is the second derivative. That means differentiate. And what is our dy dx? Is 1, right? That means d1 over dx is equal to 0, because when you differentiate a constant, you get 0.